In visual aesthetics, color is crucial. In the last tutorial, we shared that directors use colors to emphasize the subject, distinguish the character, push forward the plot, and clarify the environment. If you want to know more about how color can be used to deepen the narrative, just click on the upper corner in the Learner tutorial. Aside from deepening the narrative, there is another function of color: create emotion. Let's dive deep into this. The implication and the metaphor of different colors can be different. On the one hand, the color itself can affect people's visual and emotion. On the other hand, color can trigger people's imagination. For example, in the film Parasite, the dark basement with a dark green and a cool tone implies that they live in poverty. While the scene Kato Piao's home, there is a softer shade of orange, presenting he belongs to a wealthy upper class. Director uses the differences in color to imply the class difference between the two families and convey different emotions. This can also make the audience feel more involved. Look at the movie The Shining. The color red is seen noticeably in the scenes with Jack. This implies violence and madness. When a scene cuts to Wendy, it changes to a bluish cool tone, presenting depression and fear. The clip we just saw is from the movie The Ice Storm. The director uses a cool tone and music and a sound effect that matches the tone, making the audience feel as if they're in the film and they can feel the coldness. The opposite is a highly saturated and high contrast color tone in Armenia. Most scenes in the film have warm tones, which looks vintage, and feel like a fairy tale world. What's delivered to the audience is joy and happiness. The director may also endow colors with specific meanings. For example, the director uses a lot of blue objects in this movie. Besides, the color blue is a very prominent feature throughout the film. These are for representing the shadow of the past life of the character and showing her depression and numbness. Of course, the same color can convey different meanings in different situations. For example, the villains in Vice City are represented by yellow. Yellow here is associated with personalities such as cunning and deceit. On the contrary, in the movie Moonrise Kingdom, yellow can express love and hope. So the same color can give the audience completely different feelings. I have summarized the symbols of some common colors. You can make your choice according to the creation needs. For example, I want to show the relaxation and happiness being playing together with friends. So I'll choose a warm orange-yellow color as the dominant color of the video. Let's get to Video Prog Flagger. Add the source footage. Drag it into the video track. Find the color icon on the toolbar. Click on it. This can open a color in the filter editor panel. You can get the wanted tone by selecting the LUT filter on the left side, or adjusting the parameters on the right side. To give the image a warm tone, let's find the temperature. Move this slider towards the yellow color. Give it caution, don't drag it too much. Next, We adjust the values of exposure, contrast, and saturation. The whole image looks much better. We get a wanted outcome. Hit apply to apply all these changes. Pretty easy, isn't it? Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. Be sure you subscribe to our channel so you can find more tutorials of a lot of cool effects. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!